We're going to make ice wreaths. This is a great project for a snow day. It's quick, inexpensive, and the process couldn't be easier. And here we have another audience member, this time Jill Small. Hi.
Hi, Martha.
And you're also from New Jersey?
I am.
Oh.
So I'm very used to the cold weather and the
yes,
snow.
we are, aren't we? Oh my gosh. So I thought I'd show you. Do you know how to make an ice wreath?
I don't. I'm so
They
excited.
look like this. Look how pretty.
They're so
now,
pretty.
If you put edible berries and edible greenery in the ice, then you can float this in a punch bowl, which is very pretty.
Great for
Or if
parties.
you just want to have a really pretty look on your buffet table, you can just make it the way we're making it, using winter berries and evergreens and holly berries, all those kinds of things. So finish cutting off little pieces of your evergreen. It looks like a balsam, and just put it in the bottom of your mold. We're using these very nice small bundt cake molds. I like how they look. Fill this, about 2 inches of water. You'll see that the berries and the balsam, they will float. But what we have to do is freeze this before we add more water.
Great.
And so now you can add cold water. Make sure it's icy water. And then this goes right back into the freezer. And here's some that are already frozen. And we can hold these under cold water until they loosen. Here it comes right out. Look how pretty. I love how it looks. Yes, you have one too. And then you can tie a pretty ribbon around it, make a bow, whatever you want to do. You have a ribbon there too for yours.
I love ribbon.
Yeah. And you can just tie this around. Now, if it's going to be outside, you could hang these on a wall, or just put it on a buffet table, as I said, or just decorate a table outdoors. I have tables outside on my porch. You can put these out there. Just make sure the temperature is freezing if you're going to leave them unattended. But they are charming and beautiful. And they're fun, right?
They're very fun. They're great for little kids. I feel like
they are. There, let's see how yours
I didn't
looks.
make a bow. I cut it too short.
Oh,
so
okay.
I thought I'd be resourceful.
Yes.
And
just do a little.
make a little thing to hang it
good.
on.
Excellent. Very pretty. Well, thank you very much for visiting
Thank you
with
so
us.
much,
Very
Martha.
nice.